My name is David Nolan, and I'm a Senior Application Engineer at SyTech. SyTech was founded over 25 years ago. It's a global provider of report and dashboard software, and it's based in the Boston area in Massachusetts. Our product, Excel Reporter, is used in all industries, but most commonly water and wastewater, manufacturing, food and beverage, energy, oil and gas, and life sciences. And it's typically used for compliance, operation, manual data entry, and ISA 18.2 alarm management. We like to say if you know Microsoft Excel, you know Excel Reporter. The Excel Reporter platform uses workbook files, the same file format as Microsoft Excel. This approach reduces learning curve because it allows customers to import their existing workbook documents and design reports using skills that they already know. And the net result is that the solution is flexible and also one that can be deployed quickly. The partnership with Rockwell opens up reporting and dashboards to pretty much all Rockwell customers. For example, from small systems that might just have a single compact Logix PLC in terms of automation, to OEMs utilizing Excel Reporter as a white label reporting solution for their FactoryTalk View ME applications, to FactoryTalk View SE integrators, to large companies with vast data collections being managed by Historian SE and Alarms and Events. And they can do this with Excel Reporter because it's a proven solution, it's sensibly priced, and it's highly scalable, so it provides reports and dashboards for any type of business.